grab some electrical tape and tape it up. Wash out your mask with some dish soap or sea drops, and that'll help keep your mask clear when you're snorkeling. A light rinse and you're ready to go. Okay, so we're talking about snorkels, and I like this snorkel because it has a check valve at the bottom, which allows you to breathe out if you force air out of it, but it does not let water in. And it also has this extra space which traps water down here and still allows you to breathe up the snorkel. And then at the top, this one, although it does not have a float valve, it does have the styling which, prevents some of the water from being splashed into the top, which is really nice. I know you guys can't tell right here, but I do not have my snorkel in my mouth. And when you are getting in the water from a boat, just make sure to try not to dunk your snorkel in the water, and make sure you dump it out before putting it in your mouth. You should be good to go. I wanted to show you that when you go underwater, your snorkel does fill with water, but there's a really easy way to clear it. Watch. Blow out with as much air as you possibly can. Take a deep, slow breath in, and then you can blow out a second or even a third time. Here's a close-up of the check valve. This is a private beach on St. John, and this will be the perfect place to show you guys how to put on your snorkel gear and snorkel right off the beach. Put your mask on your forehead, have your snorkel ready, and walk out into the water with your fins. Once you get out in the water, put your mask and snorkel on in case you need to glance in the water to catch a runaway fin. Then I put my socks on, trying to keep a hold of those fins. Sometimes you might even need to use a foot to pick them back up. And then, one at a time, slide your fins on while breathing through your snorkel. You shouldn't be in too deep a water where you'd have to swim, but not too shallow where it's hard to stand. And then you're ready to go. Enjoy your snorkel. Remember to relax and breathe slow and deep into your snorkel. When you're finished snorkeling and you're ready to get back onto the beach, you're going to do everything in reverse. So leave your mask and snorkel on so you can see yourself taking your fins and socks off. Again, watch the water depth, make sure it's not too deep where you're swimming. Take both fins off, stuff your socks inside, stand up, turn around, and just start walking out. You can pull your mask off and your snorkel out as you get closer to the beach. This is what it looks like while I'm taking off my socks and fins. I really love this technique because you exit the water with style and grace. Let's face it, fins are clumsy. I save them for last. I get my socks on and have my mask and snorkel ready, and then I'll put my fins on, swing them over, and I'm ready to go. Once you've finished your snorkel and you're ready to get back in the boat, this can be the awkward part. Take a large scissor kick with your fins, making sure that your fins extend, and flutter them up. Here's another view from the top side. Make sure that your flutter kick is extra wide, especially on the back foot. Once you get to the boat, turn around and sit with your fins still in the water. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our new YouTube channel, Awesome.life, for more how-to videos, tips for eating vegan, our workouts, and our adventures around the world. If you keep watching, you will see some of our discoveries snorkeling the U.S. Virgin Islands.